Psalm 80, a psalm by Asaph for the music leader. To the tune, Lilies of the Agreement. Help our nation.
Shepherd of Israel, you lead the descendants of Joseph, and you sit on your throne above the winged creatures. Listen to our prayer, and let your light shine for the tribes of Ephraim, Benjamin, and Manasseh. Save us by your power. Our God, make us strong again. Smile on us and save us. Lord God all-powerful, how much longer will the prayers of your people make you angry? You gave us tears for food, and you made us drink them by the bowlful. Because of you, our enemies who live nearby laugh and joke about us. But if you smile on us, we will be saved. We were like a grapevine you brought out of Egypt. You chased other nations away and planted us here. Then you cleared the ground, and we put our roots deep, spreading over the land. Shade from this vine covered the mountains. Its branches climbed the mighty cedars and stretched to the sea. Its new growth reached to the river. Our Lord, why have you torn down the wall from around the vineyard? You let everyone who walks by pick the grapes. Now the vine is gobbled down by pigs from the forest and other wild animals. God all-powerful, please do something. Look down from heaven and see what's happening to this vine. With your own hands you planted its roots, and you raised it as your very own. Enemies chopped the vine down and set it on fire. Now show your anger and destroy them. But help the one who sits at your right side, the one you raised to be your own. Then we will never turn away. Put new life into us, and we will worship you. Lord God all-powerful, make us strong again. Smile on us and save us.